Guys, crazy things are happening. In today's trading update video, I am going to show you exactly what I am going to do with the positions that I entered a few days ago. As you know, guys, I entered into some specific setups that I thought was gonna work out pretty well, and well, they have. It is 40% and 55%. So a lot of people are asking me, what are you going to do with these ones? Well, in today's video, I'm going to go over exactly that. And also, not only this, I am going to talk about my exact next moves that I am going to be making here. And also big update on the trading strategies. So this is a huge video, guys. You need to watch it from the beginning until the end. So stick around. Welcome back, everybody. My name is Chris, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day. If you're new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. And also extremely important, you activate the bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release a new video on this channel. And these are very time sensitive, guys, so you will want to do that as soon as possible. Okay, so in my main channel, I posted a video yesterday. I had to take it down, but today I'm gonna post another update video on the main channel. So make sure and go and check that out. By the time this video is being released, my main channel also has the video released. So check that out. I talk about the broader market, but in today's video on this channel, I'm gonna talk specifically about my trades. Well, to keep it simple, I believe that crypto, Bitcoin, is going to continue towards the upside. But in regards to my trades, you can see that Ethereum right now is breaking through the resistance. Could you potentially do a breakout trade here? Of course, you could have made a breakout trade here, you know, we are at higher prices right now, and I think this is gonna continue. But we are above the orange line here, but many altcoins are still struggling with the resistance. You can see that Solana struggling with resistance, Cardano is approaching resistance, Pepe struggling with resistance. So what does that mean for the trades? And specifically the trades I entered a few days ago. As you know, guys, I talk about my trades before I enter, when I enter, during the time period until I close the trades. And I close the trades actually in my videos, or I show you which targets that I have. So for the trades, you know that I entered into Cardano and Solana because the setups were very clear. So what happened for Solana? This is what happened for Solana. I entered with half of the position right here, and then I said that if we come back down, I'm gonna buy at my orange line, and the take profit is gonna be at 169. So that is what happened. We went down, I filled some more positions here for Solana, and we went up and we actually hit my take profit. So that's the first trade for Solana. The take profit though only took profit with half of the size. Why? Because the take profit was added before, if I go back to Solana. So remember, I entered with half of the size and I added half of this, like the size as a take profit, but because it got in with another position down here, I still have half of the position. So that is great, and you can see that this is why you need to keep your eyes on these orange lines, because we went up here and right below this we started to go down a little bit, but I do believe we're gonna break through it. But remember, these ones are short-term trades. So that was the trade for Solana, and the trade for Cardano I entered also with half of the size here, expecting us to come back up towards the orange line. Now we're very close to it. I think the take profit here is, let me see, take profit for the Cardano trade is at, okay, here we have it, 79 cents. So what is the price right now? 75. So I'm very close to the TP targets here, and I'm thinking I might as well maybe just close these ones and look for more opportunities, because remember, yeah, we're very close to it, and this is where I'm gonna TP anyway. So I'm just gonna go ahead now and TP, and as you know, guys, I'm keeping track of everything here in the document. Let me see here. So Solana, and this takes a lot of time, guys, so I'm actually going to stop using this document, I think, in terms of the individual trades, because it just takes too much time here. Let me add these ones. What I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna add the videos like I do. So as you know, guys, I add all of the videos here. Okay, for this one I didn't, because yeah, it just takes too much time. But like usually I do add the videos for when I enter and when I exit, but it's taking a lot of time. So what I'm gonna do is people will just have to watch my videos and see for themselves. And I'm gonna TP these positions right now. I'm gonna close them. So let's close that one, 42%, and then close that one. So now I should be able to, yes, okay, so we got 4K.4, 44%. Here we go. And then for ADA we had 2.6K, up 52. So there we go. So there we have it, guys. New opportunities are going to be looked for, guys. And if you want to trade yourself an experienced investor, go down to the description of this video right now. First, sign up to Pionex, which is the best exchange, and then click on this link to get the best opportunities. And then with my bull market portfolio and my main coins, if you want to use my trading strategies, you have the link. With one click, you can set them up. If you want to do individual trades like we did right now on VX, get down here to the VX link and click on this one. You get amazing bonuses as well if you click on this link specifically. So the next trade that I want to make, guys, and I talked about this yesterday, I am looking for a breakout trade on Pepe. I think that Pepe is going to do really well, but this will be a trade that I'm going to actually do for a longer period of time. I want to do maybe up to this orange line up, yeah, this orange line up here, which from this point would be 33%, 10x leverage. That would be like 340%. So this is something that I want to do, but the only issue is that we're right below my orange line. You know that I respect my orange lines, guys, but I do believe that we're gonna break through it eventually, but I just don't like getting in at the orange line. Look at this, guys. We could have also gone in here, but look at this wick. We were pushed down again. But Pepe, I do think is gonna do well. And I already have exposure to Pepe. Let me update you quickly on the trading strategies. And you can see that my dynamic running strategies, they're up more than 1 mil. And actually, let me quickly put this into the document here, because the document has not been updated for quite a while, guys, quite a while. So let me see here, my current running dynamic strategies. So 687K. 687K, let me see, where is it? Up here, 687K, right? So let me see, 687, boom. And then you have the, let me see here, you have the Ethereum one, which is up 47. So this has been changing very quickly. You have the Solana, so it's more or less at break even. You have this one is minus 88. It's actually down more than a while ago. There we go. But then you have my XRP one. It is up 82. Let's do this real quickly, guys. You have the ADA. It is up 66. You have my second Ethereum strategy. It is up 30. And by the way, this is also active. It's now back in range. The first Ethereum one, and the second Bitcoin one is up 147, and then you have finally the, which one is this? The Solana one is up 87, and then you also have the second Doge, which is up 27. So 27, there we go. So overall, that means that we are, since inception, since we started using these strategies, guys, we're up to 2 mil. So that's amazing to see, especially considering all of you guys were also able to join me, and you have been joining me. And as you know, guys, we have the 100x challenge running right now. Let's take a quick look at the 100x challenge. So where do we have it? So it's about time to oh yeah, it is definitely time to compound again. As you know, guys, we need to compound, what is it, like 90 times in order to go from 10K up to 1 mil. So we're gonna do a 2-time compound right now. So this is happening pretty fast here. Everything is going crazy. So let's do this, and we're gonna compound. Boom, there we go. Okay, let me go here. Where's the 100x challenge? So the first one. So how much was it? It was 3K that we're gonna do. Yeah, all of this is just taking a lot of time, guys, but I'm doing my best here to keep everything updated. Compound, and then it is actually today. There we go. Boom. And then we're gonna do the new one as well. It is up 6%. We're gonna compound 1.1. So let's do that. Let's just copy all of these things. It is today 1.1. There we go. And I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. So we get closer to that target of making 1 mil from just 10K. Let me do this, let me do that, compound, yes, boom. So there we go, guys. They have been compounded now. and everything is going completely according to plan. Absolutely beautiful, absolutely amazing, guys. Now, if you look at the bull market portfolio, you can see that it has been turned into the green. Oh, I have to update that as well over here. My bull market portfolio is up, what was it, 30K? Boom, there we go. And yeah, and this should be added right here as well. So that's amazing. But yeah, it's up, it's up again. This is the time when you feel like you're underexposed, right? And as you know, guys, I deployed only half of the funds. I deployed a little bit more yesterday. I added to, where did I add? I think to Solana, to Pepe, to XRP, and to some other ones. And some of these coins are doing really well, and some of them are doing pretty bad. So Koti has been doing extremely bad. You can see that Render and OM in particular has been doing extremely bad. You can see Trump has been doing bad, but XLM has been doing incredibly good. So yeah, the bull market portfolio overall is up a lot. So that is great to see. And the compounding is going to do its magic as well. So the next opportunity that I'm looking for, guys, is a few ones. First, I am going to also update the range for many of these ones. For instance, XRP right now, it is approaching the top here. So it's about $3 right now. And it is approaching 3.5, which is the top of the range. So I'm going to update that one. I will update a lot of the ranges for many of these assets, guys. So make sure to keep your eyes on this. As you know, you have this document in the description here with everything you need to know. And guys, if you want to know more about my trading strategies in general, click on the links here at the top. You have the strategy tutorial up here. But if you want to join them, time is actually, of the essence here, because you know, the assets, the prices, they are exploding right now for these crypto assets, and they are going up in a very fast pace. So if you don't have a bag already, if you want to use my trading strategies, which have over time seen they have been outperforming the market, just holding over time here. But if you want to use my trading strategies, go down to the description of this video right now. Like I said, sign up to Pionex first using this link, and then you have my main coins: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Doge, ADA, XRP, and then you have the rest of the coins in the bull market portfolio right here. Not financial advice, always do your own research. This is just the settings that I am using myself for my trades. These are just my trades. But as always, guys, you need to be an experienced investor. You need to be careful. Trading is risky. So only if you're an experienced investor. But if you want to use the same settings that I'm doing, you have it with just one click right here. Guys, very important that you, like I have been saying, activate the bell icon on this channel, because otherwise YouTube, they are not going to post these videos to you. So right now, activate the bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release a new video. The next trade that I'm going to be taking is Pepe. I'm looking for an opportunity in Pepe, but I'm looking also for opportunities in other coins, guys. So yeah, you want to get notified as soon as I release this video. I'm going to cover it for sure. Okay, that's what I got for you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.